Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. Today, we will be installing a Carefree of Colorado Freedom awning. Here's the before and the after with the new Tough Top awning. For this project, we're going to need a drill with a Phillips head, flat blade screwdriver, knife, silicone, a tape measure, a pull strap, and a ladder. Let's get started. First, start by deploying your awning and pulling out the support legs. We sped up the video so you can see the entire process. Look at Tyler go. Next, attach a pull strap to the center spring loaded legs to create slack in your fabric. Remove the set screws at the bottom of the fabric on both sides. Now remove the end bracket. Next, remove the end piece. This will be secured with a small screw and will require a flat blade screwdriver to pry it loose. Now be sure to cut any tape or remove any screws that Carefree may have put into the fabric to secure the fabric for shipping. These items are only for shipping before the awning is installed and they can be discarded. Now remove the single screw that secures the decorative end cap. Using the flat blade screwdriver, gently take off the decorative end cap. Next, remove the 3 screws that secures your end cap that secures your roller tube. And pull the end cap and let your roller tube rest against the full cover. It's best to place a ladder in the middle and bottom of the awning for stability before removing the fabric. Now you can remove your old material 2 feet at a time from the top, then from the bottom. If you have a helper, you can pull from both sides at the same time. Now spray both channels with silicone to ease entry of the new fabric. Now it's time for that new Tough Top awning fabric to be installed. Be sure to start on the roller tube side and feed in the new material 1 to 2 feet at a time. And alternate between the roller tube and the end cap until your new fabric is completely installed. And of course, having a helper makes this process just a little bit easier. Now you can remove your ladder. And remove your pull strap. Take a step back and make sure it looks straight. You can now put the end cap back on and re-secure it with your 3 screws. And put your end pieces back on. Don't forget that decorative end cap and the screw that secures it. You can now put the set screws back in their place. And you are all set. See, that was easy. And you have a new beautiful awning for your next adventure. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos and learn about our products, visit www.toughtop.awnings.com. Be sure to follow us across all the social networks, keep up with Tough Top news, and read customer reviews. Until next time, happy RVing!